Hey guys, my name is Darrin Nicoli and I'm the Service Director here at Bill Harris Auto. And this is my 1979 Corvette. We're going to be using this as a project for some of the guys in the shop. We're going to be rebuilding it from top to bottom. In a moment I'm going to show you some pictures of what it looked like when I originally picked it up and then what it looked like after I tore out the interior. Then we're going to be showing you some videos of the work being done and the progress as it happens. So stay tuned so you can keep up with us, and hopefully you'll enjoy.